Welcome to my channel Explore Horses.
Every night, something remarkable happens inside your head. While you're lost in dreams, your brain is doing surgery on itself while you sleep. A delicate, essential procedure that happens without you ever feeling a thing. But this isn't surgery with scalpels and stitches. It's more like a deep clean with industrial-strength soap and a rinse cycle. To understand what's happening tonight, I want you to picture your brain's 100 billion neurons as a sprawling, busy city. By day, it's a rush hour of thoughts, decisions, and sensory input. Constant traffic, a cacophony of noise, and all that activity leaves behind metabolic waste, piling up like trash on the sidewalks. But by night, when the city quiets down, the street sweepers roll in. The cleanup crew arrives. Now, sleep isn't one long, uninterrupted blur. It's not like flipping a switch to off. Instead, it's a precisely choreographed dance, a 90-minute loop that your brain repeats 4 to 6 times each night. Each cycle has a specific job to do. First, you enter stage N1. This is that wonderful hazy moment where you drift and float. Reality begins to fray at the edges. Then comes N2, or light sleep. This is where you'll spend most of your night. Your brain produces powerful bursts of activity called sleep spindles and K-complexes. These act like noise-canceling headphones, gating external sounds and helping to lock in new learning from the day. From there, you descend into N3, the deepest, most restorative, slow-wave sleep. This is the physical repair shop. Here, your brain's plumbing, the glymphatic system, flushes out all that metabolic gunk that built up during the day, including toxins like beta amyloid, which is linked to Alzheimer's. At the same time, your body releases a surge of growth hormone, getting to work on physical repair and recovery. Finally, you rise back up into REM sleep, the famous dream stage. Your eyes dart back and forth beneath your eyelids, yet your body is almost completely paralyzed. This is a safety mechanism to stop you from acting out your vivid dreams. While your body is still, your brain runs wild with high-octane simulations, forging new connections and linking disparate ideas in novel ways. It's also filing and processing emotional memories, stripping away the sharp edges to help you cope. And it's even fine-tuning your motor skills, like rehearsing a golf swing or a piano piece in your mind. So why does all of this matter? Why is it so critical to get enough of each stage? Think of N3 deep sleep as your body's hardware maintenance. It's for physical restoration, and REM sleep is like your brain's nightly software updates. It's for mental and emotional calibration. When you miss out on deep sleep, your ability to focus crumbles the next day. Your pain sensitivity rises, making every little ache feel worse. And your immune system underperforms, leaving you more vulnerable to getting sick. Skimp on REM sleep, and your emotions run hotter. You become more reactive and irrational. Your creativity dips, as your brain hasn't had the chance to make those novel connections. And your complex problem-solving and decision-making abilities become skewed. Over time, this chronic sleep debt adds up. Your blood sugar regulation goes haywire. Your appetite hormones get thrown out of balance, increasing cravings for unhealthy foods. And your long-term risk for cardiovascular disease, dementia, and other chronic illnesses becomes significantly higher. Your reaction time. After just one bad night, it can be slower than being a little drunk. It's a serious impairment. So how do you fix it? How do you ensure your brain's cleanup crew can do its job properly? First, consistency is king. Aim for a solid 7 to 9 hours of sleep opportunity each night, and stick to the same sleep and wake time as much as possible. Yes, even on weekends. This anchors your internal clock. As soon as you wake up, get 5 to 15 minutes of direct morning sunlight. This sends a powerful wake-up signal to your brain. Inversely, keep your evenings dim. Start lowering the lights an hour or two before bed, and keep your screens low and warm-toned. Bright blue light from your phone or TV essentially tells your brain it's still noon. Be mindful of stimulants. Cut all caffeine after the early afternoon. Its effects can linger in your system for up to 10 hours. And skip that late-night alcoholic drink. While it might make you feel drowsy, it severely fragments sleep and absolutely kills your REM stage. Engineer your environment. Make your room cool, around 18 to 19 degrees Celsius. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to initiate sleep. Make it dark. Use blackout shades or an eye mask to block out all light. And make it quiet. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to drown out disruptive sounds. Train your brain. Reserve your bed for sleep and intimacy only. Don't work or watch TV in bed. If you find yourself wide awake after about 20 minutes of trying to sleep, don't toss and turn. Get up, go to another room and read something dull under dim light. No screens, and only return to bed when you feel sleepy again. This breaks the association between your bed and anxiety. Create a wind-down routine, gentle stretching, journaling to get racing thoughts out of your head, or practicing the 4-7-8 breathing technique. These activities signal safety and calm to your nervous system. Regular exercise helps tremendously with sleep quality. Just be sure to finish any vigorous workouts at least 2 to 3 hours before you plan to sleep, so your body has time to cool down. And if you need to nap, nap smart. Keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid deep sleep inertia. And make sure you do it before mid-afternoon, so it doesn't interfere with your nighttime sleep pressure. Protect your sleep, and you protect your health. Your brain will have the time it needs to clean, to heal, and to rewire itself for the day ahead. A critical process that happens every single night, without fail. So lights out. Your city's dedicated night crew is waiting to get to work.